Leftover cooking is a nightmare, right? But leftover ingredients make the most fantastic soup. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I walk you through one of my favorite beautiful curried cauliflower and apple soup, perfect for the balmy weather that we are in. Into a saucepan goes in 50 grams of herbed butter along with nearly 10 to 20 mils of extra virgin olive oil. Just allow it to melt. 1 red onion finely sliced just going in, and we're going to saute this till it's a little soft and translucent, nothing much out here. While this has started sweating and the onions have got slightly translucent, in goes about 1.5 teaspoons of this gorgeous Madras curry powder, and we're just going to let it infuse with the onions, scenting this gorgeous creation through and through. Into this goes 1 apple that I've just roughly peeled and chopped up to merge with that Madras curry powder and scenting the entire pot of goodness, along with 1 sweet potato just peeled, boiled into the largest possible chunks. As they infuse with each other, in goes some florets of cauliflower that I had boiled lying inside. So I'm just taking randomly about half a cauliflower and just putting that in as well. A fine sprinkle of some celery sea salt. And lastly, into this goes nearly 200 to 300 mils of hot water. I'm just going to bring all this to a boil for about 15 minutes. Allow it to simmer covered. Puree the soup, and this is ready to be garnished. Pureed and just about simmering, this pot of goodness is ready. All it needs is an adjustment on the seasoning. So a slight sprinkle of some celery sea salt going bang again on top. A quick stir, and this is ready to go into that soup tureen, and you have a fantastic leftover creation done right. Garnish this with a few drops of roasted red chili oil just to give it that slight heat and gorgeous specks of color. And finally, a sprinkling of some finely chopped coriander leaves just to bring this together. I hope you enjoyed creating one of my all-time favorite leftover cooking hacks. The beauty about this is each soup is different, styled and flavorful. Leftover soup, just throw in some soupy noodles into the mix and have a laid-back, lazy dinner. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and more importantly, don't forget to leave a comment below.